Good morning students, welcome to online class. The last class, exercise 10.3, what sums completed? Exercise 10.3, 9, 10 sums completed. Now write down problem number 11, 10.3 problem number 11, water is, write down problem number 11, water is pouring into conical vessel of diameter 5.2 meters and the slant height 6.8 meters at the rate of 1.8 meter cube per minute. How long will it take to fill the vessel? So read the problem again. Write the problem first. Water. The problem is about water. Water is pouring into conical vessel. There is a vessel which is in the shape of a cone. Water is pouring into conical vessel of diameter. Diagram is there. Diameter of the conical vessel is 5.2 meters and the slant height is 6.8 meters. This is slant height, it is 6.8 meters at the rate of 1.8 meter cube per minute. So per minute 1.8 meter cube water. How long will it take to fill the vessel? We need to find out total time taken by tap to fill the vessel. So you have to know the problem is about cone. Here vessel is in the shape of cone and water is poured into vessel. Diameter of the conical vessel is 5.2 meters. Slant height is 6.8 meters at the rate of 1.8 meter cube per minute. We have to find out total time taken to fill the vessel. Write the matter here. Vessel is in the shape of cone. Vessel is in the shape of cone. Water is poured into vessel. Water is poured into vessel. Then cone. The problem is about cone. Cone sided in. The problem is about cone. Problem contains water and cone. Water is poured into conical vessel. Then cone. Diameter 5.2 meters. Diameter how much? 5.2 meters. What is radius? Diameter by 2. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 5.2 by 2. 5.2 by 2. Cancellation 2.6 meters. L slant height. L means slant height. L equal to 6.8 meters. L equal to 6.8 meters. Then what is the relation between L or H? Relation between L or H. L square equal to R square plus H square. L square equal to R square plus H square. You know already, middle line is known as height, down line is known as radius, and this line is known as slant height in a cone. L square equal to R square plus H square. What is L value? 6.8 whole square. R value 2.6 whole square. H square. Then do the rough work. 68 into 68, rough work. 68 into 68. 68 into 8. 68 8 jar. 68 into 8. How much? 8 8 jar. 64. 8 6 jar. 48 54. 544. 544. 8 8 jar. 64. 8 6 jar 48 54 544 68 into 8 408 68 into 8, 68 into 6, 408 plus 54. How much? 462. So 4624. How much? 4624. 46.24. 46.24. Rough work equal to 2.6 whole square. 6.76 plus h square. 6.76 plus h square. Let us do subtraction. H square equal to 46.24 minus 6.76. Subtraction. H square equal how much? 39.48. 39.48. L square equal to R square plus H square. L means slant height 6.8 whole square, R square 2.6 whole square plus H square 6.8 whole square 46.24. Rough work is there. 2.6 whole square, 2.6 into 2.6, 6.76 plus H square. H square equal to 46.24 minus 6.76. H square equal to 39.48. 39.48. Then square becomes root, you know. H equal to root 39.48. Let us do rough work for 39.48. Then 6 6 are 36, you know, dot method. 6 6 are 36. Then remainder 3, here point. Then 4 8, you know, division, dot method. To find out square root, we use dot method. Then 6 becomes 12, you know, procedure 2 times. Again 2, 244, remainder 104. You can write zeros at the end, no problem. 2 zeros we can write. 62 becomes 124, 8 times. Again 8 times. So 1248 into 8. How much? 8 8s are 64. Do the multiplication. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32, 38. 8 12s are 96, 99. 9984. You can do subtraction at the end. Not getting exact. So what we get? H equal to 6.28 means we can write 6.3 approximate. So D how much? 5.2. R how much? D by 2. 5.2 by 2, 2.6. L equal to 6.8. What is the relation between L or H? L square equal to R square plus H square. L square 6.8 whole square. R square 2.6 whole square plus H square. 6.8 whole square 46.24. 2.6 whole square 6.76 plus H square. H square equal to 46.24 minus 6.76. We get 39.48. Square becomes root. H equal root 39.48, 6.3. And what we have to find out first? See meter cube. Meter cube belongs to volume. Meter cube are the units of volume, you know. So we need to find out volume of the cone. How much water is there? So we need to find out volume. How it is known to you? By seeing meter cube, it is clear to you. We need to find out volume. So volume of cone. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3, pi value 22 by 7 into r square 2.6 into 2.6 into h value 6.3. Then 3 cancel. 6.3 cancel. What we get? 2.1. 22 by 7 means 3.14. Already known to you. What is 22 by 7? 3.14. 22 by 7 means 3.14. 3.14 into 2.6 into 2.6 into 2.1. 22 by 7 means 3.14 into 2.6 into 2.6 into 2.1. Do the multiplication. 314 into 26. Do multiplication without taking decimal. 26 into 4, 104. 26 into 1, 26 plus 10, 36. 26 3s are 78, 81. 8164. 26 4s are 104. 26 1s are 26, 10, 36. 26 3s are 78 plus 3, 31. Into 26 again. 26 4s are 104. 26 6s are 156 plus 10, 166. 26 1s are 26 plus 16, 42. 26 8s are 208 plus 4, 212 into 21. 21 4s are 84. 21 6s are 126, 134. 21 2s are 42, 57. 21 2s are 21 4s are 84. See multiplication again. 21 4s are 84. 21 6s are 126. 126 plus 8, 134. 21 2s are 42, 55. 21 2s are 42, 47. 21 1s are 21. 21, so 21 4s are 84. 21 4s are 84. 21 6s are 126, 130, 126. 21 4s are 84. 21 6s are 126 plus 8, 134. 21 2s are 42, 55. 21 2s are 42 plus 4, 5, 47. 21 1s are 21 plus 4, 25. 25. 21 2s are 42 plus 2, 44. So what we get? 44, 57, 544. What about point? 44.57544 meter cube. This is what? Volume of the cone. So volume of the cone 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 into pi value 22 by 7 into r square 2.6 into 2.6 into h 6.3. 3 cancel, 6.3 cancel, 2.1 times. 3.14 into 2.6 into 2.6 into 2.1. Do multiplication. What we get? 44.57544 meter cube. Next, water poured per minute. Per minute equal 1.8 meter cube. Water poured per minute equal to 1.8 meter cube. Total time taken to fill the vessel. Total time taken to fill the vessel. Divide volume with water per minute. Divide volume with water per minute. Volume how much? 44.57544 by 1.8. Write denominator without point. 445.7544 by 18. You only do division. We get 24.7 minutes. Therefore, total time taken to fill the vessel 24.7 minutes. In the next class, we discuss about the remaining problems. Thank you, students. Okay, na sir.